Hello students. So in this video I will discuss about the benefits of optical fiber. So let's start this lecture. So we are discussing about the advantages or benefits of optical fiber. See, we have seen that light propagates or travel through core of optical fiber. Now advantages is that optical fiber communication rate is very high, means speed of communication is very high. The first advantage of optical fiber communication is that rate of communication is very high, means that signal which is transmitting is a faster mode of communication. Second is the light which travels, that is very high. Optical fiber has a very large value of bandwidth, or we can say that the value of frequency of a light which travels through optical fiber, that has a value of, means very high bandwidth. So generally the frequency of a light which travels through optical fiber, that has a range of 10 raised to 13 hertz to 10 raised to 16 hertz or 17 hertz. And next advantage is that optical fiber are we have seen that diameter is in the order of micrometer, so they have very small size as well as lightweight and flexible. So third advantage is that lightweight, small size and flexible. Also the signal which is traveling through optical fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference. See, so next advantage is that is the signal which is traveling through optical fiber, that is immune to electromagnetic interference. We know that in an optical fiber light is propagating, not a current. So when we have seen that when two electric wires are placed together, they interfere with each other, but when two optical fibers are placed close to each other, they will not interfere, right? Next is the signal which is propagating is more secure. So optical fiber provide a secure mode of communication. The signal which is traveling through optical fiber is secured. So it provides secure communication, means security is high. The signal which is traveling cannot be theft. So, and it is used to transmit over a large distance because we do not require repeaters. Like if we are passing a signal through a wire, the current value of that attenuation will occur. See, so we need to use amplifiers, repeaters at certain distance. But if we are passing a signal through optical fiber, we do not need a repeaters or amplifiers. They are very less because loss in the optical fiber is less. So their life is very high. Less number of attenuators or repeaters, means amplifiers. Attenuator is when the signal attenuates, so it need not, we use less number of amplifiers or the repeaters, and their life is the life of optical fiber is 20 to 30 years. And the next advantage is that the losses, very important point, the losses in the optical fiber are negligible. There are certain losses like absorption loss and dispersion loss that we will discuss, but the overall losses in optical fiber are very less. So losses in the optical fiber are negligible. The losses which occur in optical fiber are negligible. Correct? So these are the 7 points which we have to remember. First is that the communication takes place at very faster rate. Okay? And second, the signal which is propagating, it has a very high value of frequency. So bandwidth of signal is very high, or the optical fiber is very high. And the optical fiber has a very small diameter, see, and a small size flexibility. they are immune to electromagnetic interference, and the signal which is propagating is more secure signal, right? So generally it is used for transfer of very secret messages or banking purpose, and it requires less number of repeaters or amplifiers. When the signal get attenuates, so we need to use amplifiers, so that we require are very less, right? Because the signal which is traveling is light, not a current, and they are shock resistance. The signal which, if you touch a optical fiber, you will not get a shock, but if you touch a wire carrying a current, you will get. So the communication, the advantage is they are shock resistance, because the signal which is traveling is light, not a current. So if you touch a optical fiber, you will not get a shock, and losses are negligible, or we can say very small losses as compared to other mode of communication and shock resistance.